Hi there, welcome back to my channel. This is Media J, and today's video is going to be this gorgeous date night look. I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution products. So thank you so much to the Revolution team for sponsoring this video. So yeah, if you love to go out during the holiday months, then you're absolutely going to love this look. I loved creating it, and glitter is the best thing since sliced bread. So let's jump right in. So, if you're anything like me, you love to go out in the winter months and holiday months. Date night is special. You get to put on your glitz and glamour and step out in true fashion. So, the first thing I did off camera was do my brows, and now we're going to start with this beautiful eyeshadow palette. So, this is the Makeup Revolution Forever Flawless Deadly Desire eyeshadow palette. I love the color story. For some reason, it just screams holiday season. I think it's the reds and the dark browns, but it is a very, very beautiful color story. We're also going to be using some glitter. I know. I feel like I haven't used glitter in a really long time. So yeah, we're going to be using some glitter. And this is the Glitter Bomb Collection Summer Skyline. And I'm going to be using the red glitter from this collection. So let's start with the palette. First thing is I'm going to go in with this dark, it's like a red, I feel like it's a dark red color. And I'm really going to pack that on the outer corner of my eye, making sure that I fully saturate that color. You want to take your time to do this. It's a very, very easy look, but you kind of need to just take your time to, pack in those colors and create the dimension that you want. I'm adding these two shades just to give it some more depth, some more smokiness, just so that when the glitter goes on, it really pops when it goes towards the outer corner. And then I'm adding this color just to blend out the top of the eyeshadow to make sure that there are no harsh lines and everything is fluid, everything is seamless and fully blended. So take your time. You might lose some color at this point, so definitely go back and add wherever you need. And then for my base shimmer shadow that I'm putting on my lid, I'm going in with this. It's a light pink. I almost feel like it's a champagne pink color. Because I like to use an eyeshadow underneath my glitter just in case if it shines through. Glitter base is on, and now I'm applying the glitter. Initially, I thought it would be chunky, but I absolutely love this glitter. It just glides on like pigment. It looks absolutely stunning. Then I'm priming my face with the Revolution Pro primer. You guys know that I love this. Everything that I'm using will be linked in the description box as per usual, so don't worry too much. And again, please use everything that you've got in your collection. I'm using Revolution products to do this look just so that it's achievable for you, it's affordable, and it is an option. You can get so many beautiful looks on a budget. I'm using this foundation. This is the XS Revolution Liquid Skin Foundation, the double fixed one, and this is FX 14.5. I love this foundation. I love the packaging. It reminds me of Tom Ford, but the performance of this foundation is really solid. It's something that I've enjoyed using for the entire year. So I obviously had to get another bottle. Concealers are the conceal and hydrate concealers. I wanted a little bit more brightness, so I used one that was close to my skin tone, but then I also applied a lighter one on top because it's date night. You want to look snatched. You want to look, So as always, dry down your concealer a little bit just so that you get the full power of the pigmentation of your concealer. Oof, I was really feeling myself, honestly. But you know what? I didn't even go out that day. Like, it's so sad. So sad. I didn't go anywhere. Went to the bathroom straight away and cleaned it off. And then powder is the Makeup Revolution banana powder. I love this powder. Absolutely do. I'm baking a little bit because, as I said, we want a little snatchy. And just look at how that it just sculpts my face. Everything looks lifted, everything looks bright. So don't be scared to bake when you feel the need to. And then my Revolution Glow bronzer. Love this bronzing. I'm going in a little bit at a time with that bronzer because it is quite dark for me. So I need to just use a little bit at a time and make sure that it's fully blended. But yeah, I absolutely love the bronzer. It's very good. So making sure that the cheekbones are snatched, bringing it down my neck a little bit so that the foundation doesn't look like it stopped somewhere. I'm applying a gel eyeliner to my waterline because I kind of want that feline look. And I'm going to skip putting any eyeshadow on my lower lash line because I think the under eye looking bright and snatched is quite pretty. Blush is the XX Revolution Jade. I love this blush. Beautiful orange blush. It just lifts the skin, makes you look healthier, youthful, you know. And then I'm using this. This is the Revolution Pro Goddess Glow Shimmer Brick Bronzer in Sublime. It's not a bronzer for me. It's, it's shimmer brick. It's a highlighter for me. So I absolutely love this concealer, like this highlighter. Do you see how excited I was? So excited to use it. This was the first time using this product, and it's so smooth. It's so smooth. It's so beautiful. I don't know why it took so long to try this particular product, this particular collection, because it's so beautiful. Yeah, I was feeling it. Yeah. And then I popped on some lashes this time round. I haven't been wearing lashes for a hot minute, but this look needed some lashes. So I popped some on. And then for my lips, I'm using the Makeup Revolution Glitter Balm. It's a lip gloss, but it's so shiny. I lined my lips with a brown lip pencil and then just popped the gloss on top because I wanted all the drama to be on the eyes. Adding in my jewelry. This is all from Learn Tubs Creations. I absolutely love how beautiful it is. It matches the look so well, and honestly, I didn't plan it that way. All I know is I wanted to wear pink. Cute pink. Yeah, pinkish reddish color. A little bit of sexiness with my fragrance. This is one of my favorite date night fragrances. In hindsight, I would have probably worn a black dress, but then, everybody always thinks of date night with a black dress. I kind of wanted it to be different. My hair is from EDBU, and yeah, this is the final look. I am obsessed with the way it came out. The drama is on the eyes. I look lifted. Everything just looks fantastic, and everything is on a budget. You can look fabulous for less. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I want to thank Revolution for sending me these products. It was fun to create this look. Definitely sound off below if you enjoyed this tutorial. And remember, God doesn't like ugly. Be nice to someone today, and Black lives will always matter. And I'll catch you in a future video. Make sure you subscribe on your way out. And yeah, I'll catch you soon. Take care and God bless.